right. Hold on a second. Let me get all this out of the way. What is this?
Oh yeah, damn.
All right. You know what? Hold on. I'm gonna do it the other way. There we go. All right. Stop acting stupid. All right. So yeah, yesterday, well, last time we looked at it, we saw a final level of support down here around the 105, and saw this bullish engulfing. Um, wasn't too sure just because, well, I was sure it found support. Wasn't too sure what it was gonna do, just because it hadn't wanted to see if it was gonna break this or not.
Right.
But followed it down, saw it found support one more time down here. So last night when I got back to the crib, I was pretty much just watching this whole area right here. I think it was a 70. I was marking. Yeah, I didn't mark it off, but do that now. So please zoom out. So last night, I literally saw it right here approaching this line, like right around here. I caught it at this exact candle.
Bro, my bad.
I said I saw this. Yeah, I got home. I saw this exact candle right here. So I saw a lot of sellers exhaustion right here at this level of resistance.
Right after already forming a higher low on your higher time frame.
Yes, after forming a higher low on my higher time frame. It was just honestly the only reason I probably didn't hop in. It was damn near 3 a.m, and I was tired as hell.
Yeah, man, gave you the sexy candle, G.
Yeah.
Tested the blue MA.
Yeah, on top of it too. I just wasn't sure if it was gonna break the 70, like the 70, 75 level or not. I woke up this morning and this is all I saw. I just saw these. I saw it on the 4 hour first, so I was like, oh damn.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. You on the 30-minute talking about I don't know what it's gonna do. The 4 hour already made that higher low. Once the 4 hour gave you that higher low, that let you know that it's more buyers in the market. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so right.
It's been tested 3 times. You know what I'm saying? So it came up, broke over that resistance, came back, gave you that higher low point. If it didn't give you that higher low point, then I could understand. But it gave you that higher low point, and then when it came back down to retest again, it then engulfed that candle. So once it engulfed that candle,
really, this one right here should have been it for me then.
That should have been your signal. You know what I'm saying? To start looking for entries on the 30-minute. Once it found that newfound support on top of that green line on the 30-minute.
Okay.
You know okay. But where you getting in at, that's late. For real.
That's hella late down here.
Because you're getting in that resistance. You buying that resistance. You know what I mean? So you wanted to buy at soon as it came up in that area, gave you that them tested candles on that higher time frame. Yep. And then you go down to your lower time frame. Yep. So once
it right there, you ain't
that was the momentum. Wait for the retest. Went above, tested that resistance again, and then came down and tested that your blue MA. Once it tested that blue MA and gave you some bullish variation, good, bro. Gave you that sexy candle to test both of them. You know what I'm saying? Like stuff like that. That's the candlestick anatomy that's gonna give you that extra edge. That's like, all right, I didn't already put together the bigger picture. Now on this little picture, I'm seeing everything that's pointing upwards. So I'm gonna put in my lot size and I'm gonna just trigger fundamentally. You know what I'm saying? Like trading what you see for real.
Okay. So yeah. Shit. Yeah, I got someone too. All right.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. Because that 4 hour was clear as day.
You could have took that and went to sleep. For real. You could have took that and went to sleep. Man. No cap.
That would have been like a good, like, what, 40, 50 pips right now.
You could have put your TP in the green area where your exhaustion zone is. You could have woke up in profit, G.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? Okay. But it could, because that's why we go over these things. You see what I'm saying? So next time you see all of this forming, you know what I mean? It ain't no reason for you to be like, yo, I got it now. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
See
Like
what I
I'm
mean?
seeing what it's doing. And even,
Right.
yeah, you're right. So that would have been, that's
Just
me
based
on the
off that
floor. Ground
H4
support,
support.
yeah. Came down, retested it.
Because it tested
Big ass
multiple
incremental
times.
on the floor.
It gave you all that indecision multiple times. So it's like indecision, but you understanding where you coming from. You see what I'm saying? You coming from a break of resistance, now trying to form uh the retest. You see what I mean? Because you
Mm-hmm.
could have thought it was a lower high point if you the way that you looking at it now. But once you seen that higher low point form and it stayed on that support, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So
You,
once it bounced off this H or A, this hour for support.
exactly, bro. That shit that's your time frame. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
That's what
yeah.
you're basing everything off of. So it's like, you know what I mean? And you already know from previous data that that's a strongly respected level. So it's like once you seen them candles doing that again, something in your head should have been like, yo, it's about to repeat the same thing that it just did. You know what
Mm-hmm.
I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, man. Don't psych yourself out. Just be like, yo, like, this is what I
Right.
see. This is what I'm gonna go with. Like, you know what I mean? You don't gotta throw no crazy lot size out. Profit is
Yeah.
profit. You know what I'm saying?
That's what I was gonna do too. Like I saw them looking at it, I'm like, nah.
Yeah, if you was a
Like
little
I'm
skeptical, you could have been like, all right, I'm gonna throw a point one. You know what I'm
point
saying?
one, see
Yeah.
what
You know what
happens.
I mean?
Yeah.
See what happened. That would have gave you some confidence when you woke up, like, oh damn, like,
Mm.
all right, I was right. You feel me? Like, or my analysis was on point. Like, you feel me?
Mhm.
And that way you can still learn from it, but you learn it from a W. You know what I mean? You learn it from, you know what I mean, taking action. You know what I'm saying? Because it's only so much you can learn when you not really in the market. You know what I'm saying? Because you know it's a whole different feeling when you got orders waiting and pending and maintaining and
Uh-huh.
throughout the week. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get used to that feel so that way it become numb. You know what I'm saying? It's like anything else.
Yeah, you're not even thinking about it at that
Yeah,
point.
it's like I placed the order. All right, cool. Go along with the rest of my day. I'll check it next 4 hours. Check it
Mm.
at the close of this 4 hour candle, or check it at the close of this hour. Make sure I'm going in the right direction, or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Because at that point, everything is just check, 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 check. You know what I'm saying? Check, 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 exit. You know what I'm saying?
And
That
maintain
kind of
it.
thing. Right.
Okay.
You know what I mean? You're not getting in looking to look for more entries or to, you know what I'm saying? Like you can, but it just depends on where you got in that in the market. You know what I mean?
Okay. Damn. All right. Feel good about that then.
Yeah, man. Even one more thing that you could have did too is just on an M30 time frame, you could have put a random line for resistance just to see when that resistance was gonna break, and that could have gave you more, confidence as far as momentum shift.
This resistance right here.
Yep, yep,
Okay.
yep. You see what I'm saying? Because it's been respected twice. You know what I mean? So it's almost like 100% retracement based off of that move.
All
See
it
what I'm
did
saying?
was
So
bounce
you could
all
have
over
waited
this too.
to that move, to everything cleared out down there, and then flowed along with your moving averages. Like they on your chart, so use them. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
For sure. Just understand, you already know that they're lagged, but it's like in that case, you definitely could have used them and caught a move based off your moving averages.
Yeah, especially what was going on in that 4 hour.
Exactly, because you didn't know what was going on. So it was like, boom, go down to the lower time frame. All right, I see the moving averages, got some separation. They cross, still going with my bias that I'm thinking about since it formed that higher low. Two confirmations I'm in.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Floating, and ride the wave.
So as far as, all right, I think what got me was, well, now that I look at it, yeah, that is a higher
And you could have had
a lower high number.
you could have had a big ass counter trend line from your breaker structure area up top.
Oh,
Yep.
yeah.
Where
Okay.
not right
Right
there,
here.
right there. Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm. That would
Yeah,
clear it up for you too. See
that's
what I'm
almost
saying?
more. Drop down a little bit.
Go
Yeah,
to
that
like
is.
the 2 hour. Go to like the 1 hour or 2 hour so you can see it better. Yeah. Probably the 2 hour show a little better. Yeah.
See what the 2 hours looking
Yeah,
like.
try the 2 hour, yeah. Yeah, that was
Yeah.
a little better. So yeah, take it from that bearish wick where it say BOS,
Mm-hmm.
that lower high. Yup. to the future.
No, I don't want that. I want. There we go.
Yep. To the bearish wick. Down some. Right there. Yep. You see how all that shit lined up, G?
Yeah, man. I
Cause
get read.
easily sniped.
No, let's change that color.
That's how you dissect that shit. You know what I mean? Like you just boom. What am I seeing? Zoom out, zoom in. What am I seeing? What can I add? You know what I mean? Like what can help me with my bias? That's 3 confirmations right there I just gave you.
Yeah, my confirmation. Let me label that out real quick. No, that's all I want. Yeah. I can't type today. Oh shit, found support.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, shit, right, whatever. You got an MA cross on the. Got a few down here, but even then.
Yeah, like those I wouldn't even be looking at my moving average time I'm ready to enter. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I already know you in the counter trend. Like if anything, I would have looked at the one that's down to the left because that initially started that uptrend when keep going back to the left. Yep, down there. That is the one I would have paid attention to on the higher time frame.
Okay. And we got a break the structure right here on the 30.
Exactly. That resistance turn support. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
You adding all of that up, G, it's like, man, shit told you what it was about to do.
Yeah, man. I was just, I don't know, cause I think it's because I got to get off this Oanda, get on that FXCM again, cause I know a gap somewhere around here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'd be on the FXCM hard.
Yeah. Now I have it on my iPad, so I see the gaps on the iPad, but I was on this all day yesterday.
Okay.
Well, yeah, when the market came back up, just going over the stuff, everything we was talking about on Friday. And yeah, I didn't see it there, but I know I saw it on the iPad at least once or twice.
Okay. That's smooth. Did you like go over like your weekly pip goals and like certain?
Yeah. Hold on, let me pull all that up.
Okay.
All right, so pip goals 200 pips a week.
Yes, sir. I like that.
As far as my chart time and my strictly like analyzing and planning, probably honestly, I look at a chart every day, at least a little bit. But to actually sit down and see what the market's giving me and just to plan out for the week, probably Sunday afternoon, Sunday morning for me. My trading times, just to be in front of the computer and see what's going on. I like to be up early, so probably like Monday through Friday, depending where I'm at, like 8, 9-ish to about noon or so. Give it 2, 3 hours just to see if anything is happening. As far as my account, it's a little over 500 right now, so I was doing 0.1s, 0.2s. If I see anything like if I see anything I'm really confident about, or if I'm, I guess, scaling in, I would do a 0.3 here and there. Time frames I'm focusing on the 4 hour for my setups, the M30 for my main structure, and if I need to go down, I'll probably rock with the 15.
Right.
And then, so 5 ways to become a better trader. Trust my analysis, patience, let the setup come to me. I know I could probably do some more back testing and practicing, more back testing, just so make sure I see train those eyes a little bit more. Like I said, right here, it's a little, what's going on, what's happening.
Right.
Uh,
Just always be thinking like I was telling one of my other, like mentees and stuff like that. Like when you doing this, bro, think about this shit same way you think about artwork. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Like when you crafting your piece, your masterpiece. You know what I'm saying? You want to take your time. You want to have patience. You want to look for everything, far as every brush stroke, the same way an artist would. Because when you're essentially taking these orders, it's an art, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like this shit is an art. It's an art to be able to you know what I mean, see what's gonna happen before it happens in a sense, technically. You know what I mean? Like to be able to read price and understand the story of everything and then to be able to flow along with it. You know what I mean? It's an artwork. So it's like, you know, sometimes it takes people, you know, time and time and time to before they can craft their masterpiece. You know what I'm saying? So there's nothing wrong with you not taking that trade. Like I said, that's why we dissect these things and everything like that. I just want you to have that mindset that like, yo, this is my masterpiece. This is my artwork. This is my craft. You know what I mean? So when I'm doing it, I want to be precise. I want to be as precise as possible because that's what differentiates a professional from an amateur. You know what I'm saying? How precise can you be? How, you know, all those kind of things. You know what I mean? Like, are you able to maintain your stability, mentality, and all of these things while you're trading? You know, so think of when you start to think about it in that kind of mindset, it's like, all right, what mode am I in? Am I executing? You know what I'm saying? Or am I analyzing? You know what I'm saying? What mindset do I need to be in while I'm opening this laptop? You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
Like, do I need to be analyzing right now? Or is this the time for me to start looking for entries? All right, boom. So then you divided the two. So once you divided the two, you understand what's your purpose. What's your purpose for being on this laptop right now? If I know I'm just analyzing, that I'm looking for back tests, I'm looking for other type of candlestick variations to help with my candlestick anatomy. I'm back testing trendline opportunities. You know what I mean? Like I'm looking at how does momentum shift, what the candles look like when momentum shifts, how does it react to my moving averages, you know, like those kind of things, you know what I'm saying? Versus execute. When I'm executing, it's like boom, I already have a setup. That means I already have a setup if I'm ready to execute. You know, I'm not waiting on this setup. I already have a setup. Boom. So now I go down to my 30-minute or whatever my entry time frame is, and I'm chilling. I'm waiting until, like I said, crafting my piece. I'm seeing, can I draw any counter trend lines? What does structure look like on this time frame? You know, is it supporting my higher time frame bias? You know, what does the candlestick anatomy look like? You know what I mean? Am I at an entry base point? You know what I mean? Like those kind of things start to come. So you got to have a different type of workflow. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Depending on what's your purpose when you hop on these charts.
All right. Yeah, yeah. I really think of it like that. Yeah, for sure, for sure. You got to be of two different minds. Just like you said, when I open up that laptop, I gotta, what am I here for?
Right.
And move accordingly, pretty much.
Right. Am I
All right.
maintaining? Am I, you know what I'm saying? Like, what am I doing? Because you could be in this, if you was in this trade right now and you got in this morning where that orange line is, how would you be maintaining right now? You know what I mean? Do you ever do that? Do you ever get on the charts and be like, damn, if I was in, you know,
Yeah.
if I caught this move, how would I maintain this move till I
Right
find
now.
my exit? You know what I'm saying? Not a set TP, not just because, you know what I'm saying, where it's at, but like if I was still in this move, how would I go about maintaining? You know what
Okay.
I mean? Like those are
Yeah,
the things,
yeah,
those are the things that people don't understand that they need to work on the most because it's not so much entry. Anybody can press the fucking button. You know what I'm saying?
yeah,
I could go call my son in here, he could press the button. But it's about like after you press that button, can you stay within the game? Like, can you stay within the flow? Like, you know what
yeah,
I mean? And how do you work on your mindset? You know what I mean? And those are the type of mindset exercises that I use. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't looked at USD cap, but okay, I'm in this move. How would I be maintaining? All right, I got in here, boom, I was in consolidation for this long. So I understand I would have to be patient for this long. You know what I mean? Boom, all right, cool. My moving averages did this. Like I would just start going through my workflow. All right, I got my fibs out and found resistance on my minor time frame, on my higher time frame. I'm still not seeing any type of bearish candle, so that lets me know that I'm still with the bullish momentum. So until I see a bearish candle or some type of resistance form on my main time frame, I'm flowing. As long as I
yeah,
don't see any type of break of support for on my lower time frame, I'm flowing. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what I mean. Like, and that's where the patience stuff kicks in because how can you ever get to the point where you can hold a trade for a week or hold a trade for 2 weeks and really swing and make big bread if you can't even practice maintaining the little shit?
yeah.
You
True
know?
that, true that.
That's what I mean. Like you already got to know that you're a six-figure trader. You already got to know that you're an account manager, that you're a risk manager. You know what I'm
Mhm.
saying? Like you got to say these things, write these things down, and know these things so that way when you hop on these charts, that's your mindset. You know, you should be reading those commandments every time before you hop on the charts. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
That's what they in there for because it's gonna set your mindset. Like I know this shit can go either way. I know I need to find a good risk to reward opportunity. I know, you know what I'm saying? All it takes is the right account, the right week, and I could be rich. You know what I'm saying? Wealthy or whatever your desires are. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
So it's like, yeah, man, like you got tap all the way in, bro, and lean into that shit, bro. Okay.
All right, yeah, I'm ready, man.
Yeah.
You been ready.
Hell, bro, because it's like that's why I like when you able to start seeing like, damn, Vontae, I should have got in here, or hitting me like, damn, Vontae, I missed this one, but bro, I see it.
Yeah.
That's when it's like, bro, I fuck with it the most because it's like, boom, all right, boom, not having fear of missing out, but having, like you said, that joy of missing out because now I
Yeah.
know what to do next time. Now I corrected it.
I see it again in a week. There's no hesitation. It's okay.
And it should repeat itself all the time, bro.
Right? Found support here, came down, retested, big ass, the golf it on the 4. Up down to the 30, came down, retested again. Gave me and there's an MA cross right here. So even then, they bounced off the MA, ride that shit out.
Yeah.
And that's 30 pips before I was even thinking about getting in.
See what I'm saying? And the thing about it, things that you got to be able to see too, is like once it made that that higher low and that the moving averages cross on that 30 minute, go back to the 30. And it's gave you that higher low point right there.
Mm-hmm.
Even though you're at resistance, going up to the right some. To the right there. Yep. Even though you're at resistance, you already had a cross of your moving averages, right?
Mm-hmm.
You see that they began to spread out, right?
Yeah.
The sexy candle that tested the red MA, right? Then went bullish, then came back and retested, gave you another sexy candle after that, which is a harmony pattern. Bro, you know what I mean? Like you had multiple entries you could have sniped. It's just the fact that, like, you know what I'm saying? That's why we here, so that way we can understand this shit, man. So like we can break that shit down and really understand.
All the sellers exhaustion.
We want to get in exactly when the pressure.
It was kind of low for a second. What was that?
Oh, I was saying that's when you want to that's gonna let you know when the selling pressure is over with, because that M30 move is the same thing that you're seeing on H4. It's just on a smaller time frame. That's the exact same higher low point that it made on that H4 that let us know it was buyer's pressure.
Yeah.
Same exact thing that happened. You know what I'm saying? You seeing a consistent resistance or lower high points, and then boom, you see a higher low out of nowhere. You see what I'm saying? But once you see that should give you a signal. You know what I mean? Boom, I'm seeing higher low points. Boom, buyers coming into the market. Boom, I already saw buyers coming into the market on H4. I know it's gonna take time for that H4 momentum to kick in because it's a 4-hour candle. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I gotta be patient and wait and trust my analysis. That's having that perseverance bias. You know what I mean? Being able to maintain your sanity and maintain, your vision until you reach that TP or that end goal.
Okay. So let's see. Random question: Would you draw your fibs here after this break?
Yeah, I would start from the bottom though.
What was that?
I said, yeah, I would start from the bottom though, like what started that push.
From down here, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So just out of curiosity, let me just.
Yes, sir. Point A, point B.
Right there.
50%.
Came down, yeah.
50%, and if it broke 38.2, it's gonna go down and at least tap 61.8 or at least test it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Spread your fibs out some so we can see how it reacted to the rest of the move. Yes, sir. Yep. So you had that 61.8 touch, which gives you what? If it hit 61.8, what that mean?
Oh, it's a moderate retrace, man.
Exactly. So it's gonna go up, hit that 0% or that 23.6, 30, whatever. Come back, give you another higher low. Like it could take its time, but it's gonna go to that negative 27%. You see what I'm saying?
Boom.
I'm telling you, bro.
Shoot, hold on.
You just gotta be ahead of the game and be patient.
Just zoom out a little bit. Yeah.
Next, yeah.
It's probably gonna hit that negative 61.
Yeah, it probably will. Since it broke that negative 27, it'll probably come down, give like some little support on a lower time frame first or something.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
All right. Let's see. What else do we have? We had to went over.
What's your schedule like? Like what session do you plan on trading this week? Like session.
Pretty much US. So about now, probably earlier than now. Mondays are normally a little bit slow for me. Um, but the rest of the week I'll probably be up and at 'em like 7, 8 my time. I'll be up and moving around, so I'll probably be on the charts no later than like 8:30 or so. It's like 9:30 out there. Oh yeah, 9:30 on the East Coast.
Okay. I'll be forgetting you like an hour behind.
Yeah, I be forgetting too, man.
Yeah, that's
I
why
always got.
that's why I was like, man, it's cool, man. You know what I'm saying? It's cool if you got stuff to do or whatever, man. As long as you let me know and stuff, like we can always work out another time. And
Yeah, for sure. And even then, took the uptrend. Yeah, like I wrote it out where and when I want to enter. Or uptrend, higher low point, strong level of support, continue trend upward, or in a transition.
what I do that helps me as well, I use my drawing tools a lot too. So I'll like put the little cups under the higher low points and stuff with the
Okay.
tool. So if you
Okay.
look at where the square where the box is, yeah, right there, I think. Yeah, I'll get the brush and I'll do like little higher low joints on my main time frame though. I do it on
Okay.
my main time frame, so I always know where I'm at. So like I'll cut the support, yeah, like
Okay.
just like
Hold on.
that. So it's like know
Let's.
exactly what's going on.
Well, all right. I guess I'll do it again. Let's. How the hell can I make that thicker though?
Oh, oh yeah, I don't know if you can make them joints thicker.
Oh, that's
Oh
cool.
yeah, down there, tip it all the way down.
There it is.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, that's good.
yeah,
And I don't like that color. Well, it's 4 hour.
yeah. Yeah, do like green or some shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I'm working on this app too, bro. I'm trying.
Yeah.
Right, yeah, man. They told me it's gonna cost like 8,000 to get it started, but yeah, I'm working on this app, bro. That's for traders, for real.
For what?
I'll tell you
Well,
this
what you
this
gonna put on it?
recorded this recorded, so I'll tell you about it like when we not recording or something.
I feel you. I feel you.
Yeah, but nah, man, it's dope. It's a dope. You know it's dope, bro. You know what's going on.
Yeah. You really going all in, bro.
I be having some.
There's so many bags to get from this too. Like
Yeah,
so many ways you could position yourself.
yeah, man. And that's all I'm trying to do is just position myself to eat off this shit, bro. The rest of my
Hmm.
life. You know what I'm saying?
It'll always be there, and at that point, damn. I mean, I already know Q making money 7, 8 ways in his sleep.
Bro, 12.
Not even think about it.
12. You know what I'm saying?
12.
Yeah. 7, 8 is the minimum. That nigga got like 12 sources of income.
Oh,
5 or 7 is probably just trading. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, yeah. Because
5
I
or 7
mean,
is probably just trading, bro. Because there's so many avenues you could go in, bro. You know?
and he built himself up like genuinely, bro. You can't really.
Yeah, you can't knock that.
Yeah, if you see, like, if you scroll down on this page, if you met the man, if you talked to the man.
You know. And that's the same blueprint I'm trying to, you know what I mean?
Mhm.
Like just get the people genuine love, man, and be there to help people, bro. And at the end of the day, bro, this shit gonna take care of itself because we got the skill, you know what I mean?
Mhm.
We got the skill to really do this shit and take this shit to whatever level we want to. Damn, US 30 fell like a bitch.
I don't even think I'm ready for that yet.
Oh man, you
All
should've got in.
right, so this brush is killing me.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. I caught the 30 this morning. That shit was so light.
Let's see if I can find it. Now, you know what? I'm not gonna touch this chart. Let's
Yeah.
see it moves. Sheesh. So, like, what is it about US 30? Like, it's just mad volatile? It's like when it moves, it moves.
Yeah, when she moves, G. That's all.
Oh my God. How many pips is that?
Yeah, she moves. Like,
Let's, God damn. 870 pips.
yeah, bro. That shit fell, bro. I'm stupid up. You know that shit could have.
That shit's crazy. All right. Something to work towards.
I'm holding this bitch. I'm holding this bitch for the rest of the week. No cap.
Yeah.
I'm
Might
holding.
as well eat off that shit.
Yeah, I thought that shit. Who the fuck is this? These Salters. Oh, this nigga said he need the one-on-one. Okay. Well, you know you gotta pay that, Chief. You know, these niggas with the cost, man. You know, I'm always with helping. These niggas don't be wanting to pay though, boy. That be the thing. These niggas be wanting everything for the free ski. I be like, bro, you know how much I pay to get right in this motherfucker, man?
Like, if you understand how much you gonna pay one way or another is the
One
way
way
I
or another, exactly.
you gonna lose it in your account, or you gonna pay for the education, and you gonna pay for the guidance, and you gonna make it back in your account. Like, it's one way or another.
Right.
So you might as well. I mean, if you go cheap, you go pay for it more than once.
Yeah.
I'd rather just pay for
That's
it
how I
once.
be feeling.
No.
I'm like, shit, yeah, you try to do that shit your own if you want to. thinking that this shit easy.
I mean, you can get to a certain point by yourself, but with help, first of all, you're gonna save so much time, and two, it's gonna cut out a lot of the guesswork, man.
Yeah.
Like, it really is. Like it's just gonna get your focus and everything.
None of that. You ain't gonna have to do none of that, G.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't no guessing, ain't no none of that. We lit. Real.
All right.
Yeah, man. When the next time you free for real?
Shoot.
I'm thinking we go back. We went today. I'm thinking we go again like Wednesday. What you think?
Sounds perfect. That's good.
You like this time?
Yeah, that's a perfect one.
All right. Bet.
Or actually, maybe a little earlier.
Earlier? Okay. Just
Yeah.
let me know what will work for your schedule and shit.
For sure.
So you got any like last questions or anything?
No. I mean, I guess is as far as I'm not even gonna go there right now. Yeah, like scaling it and stuff, but let me catch some moves first before I worry about that.
Scaling stuff. Yeah. Facts.
Yeah.
But that's what I want you to do, man. Look for what was Monday. So we got hella time to the weekend. I want you to at least try to find like 2 quality setups that you've been marked up that you could take. You know what I'm saying? That you take this week. You feel me?
Okay.
Even if it's mini lot, I still want to see, and I want to see how you maintain and how you feel me.
Okay.
All right.
No doubt.
We're gonna try to hit that pip goal. So keep that in mind and still, you know what I'm saying, analyze versus execute.
Mm-hmm.
That's a bet. And we're gonna link Wednesday.
Wednesday it is, man. You take it easy.
All right, brother. You too.
For sure.
All right.